How was it? In English, please. Good?
It has a nice torque.
It has a nice torque.
Yeah.
Responsive.
Low end.
It has a good low end torque.
Sinasaksak ng gano'n.
Yeah.
So how was the riding position?
Way better than my R1.
More relaxed, huh?
Yeah. I didn't my arms
Uh-huh.
didn't get numb.
Yeah?
No.
So you were more relaxed riding your Triumph, huh?
Of course.
Ganyan, simple lang.
At least you can ride that until you're 65, 70.
Until you don't want to ride no more.
Yeah, your back,
I noticed
your
you-
back
you
will not
were,
hurt.
Like 70, 75 miles at first.
Yeah.
And then you slow down around 65.
65, yeah. 65 is 5,000 RPM. 70
Okay.
is almost 6,000.
Oh, okay.
That's why I go down to 65.
So you are following the 6,000 break-in
Below
period,
6,000.
huh? Below 6,000.
6,000.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Huh?
Too slow.
Too slow, huh? Yeah, below 6,000 RPM.
Ngayon ko lang napansin, dami palang ano nito, bolts dito.
Yeah.
Parang mas ano siya.
Balik mo ng pula.
Lakas ng torque. Sobra.
So where is the power again? At the bottom?
Yeah, low end torque.
Low end torque.
Yeah. It has it.
So at first gear, you will feel the power right away.
Yep.
A good
Even in
responsive
the second
torque.
one.
Second gear?
Second gear also.
Nice.
And saan yun, ha? Low RPM.
Below 6,000.
Ano ba yung
So it has a strong engine then.
It is.
Nice. It has a strong engine, folks.
14,000 RPM, ha? Red line.
Pag bigling siya, pero pag tumatakbo na, wala na.
Ganda rin ang tunog.
Ano yung logo na yun na parang gear? Parang ano yung bilog?
Ha?
Yung bilog na logo, ano yun?
I don't know.
Ilaw? Dahil nakabukas?
Sabi niya, Sunny.
Saan yung kaya? Yun?
That's N. Neutron.
Okay, yung katabi na yung bilog.
Kung merong ano, merong gear indicator. Wow.
Kompleto ah, may gear indicator na, may fuel gauge pa.
I know. At
Nice.
least alam mo kung anong gear siya nakasunod.
So there's a fuel gauge and a gear indicator, 2 in 1. That's nice.
Things that I don't have on my R1.
I know, huh?
And ABS too. Stock.
ABS. Oh, it's not optional?
No.
It's stock?
On all of the...
Even if the model is not R?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's
Braided.
nice.
Brake lines.
My
Still
insurance
braided.
didn't go up. It
Still
went down.
braided brake lines.
From 1,000
3
cc
cylinder,
to
of course.
Yung
Triumph.
insurance ko, bababa sa akin ng
cylinders.
$90. Kasi 1,000 ang deductible ko. Eh, ang gusto nila, 500.
Nice
So,
bike.
instead na bumaba ng 90, bumaba
Very
lang ng
nice
20.
bike.
Gusto nung ano?
Mas magaan ba?
Tignan ko. Tignan ko kung mag-aangat. Huwag mo ako tulungan. Tignan ko kung ano. Yep.
Oh!
A little bit lighter.
Easy ah.
Parang bali wala.
Oo nga eh.
Saan mo lang?
Going.
Kailangan mo palang pag-practice yun.
Kailangan expert ka para maipasok mo yan.
Gusto maway. Palo ka rin na rampa. Ako, lumapat na sa lamin!
Going back. Useless yung side mirror niya. Wala
Oo.
akong makita.
Sigurado ka?
So say it again, you were saying about the mirrors, Ricky?
Oh, maybe
Yeah.
here.
What about the mirrors?
And right now it's useless.
The mirrors are useless? Why? You cannot see a thing?
Yeah. I still prefer my old CRG.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you, because you're taller.
You can see Kenneth. But I can see your waist. It's pointing. Ano lang yan?
I'm gonna change it anyway. Yeah.
To CRG, bar and mirror.
Yeah, but meron siyang ano, look. Meron siyang
Marker. See, there's positive.
Yeah, it has to be right there.
Marker.
So folks, he will change the mirrors anyway to
Well,
CRG bar and
Pwede man
mirrors.
luwagan,
Bar
gumanon.
N? Magba-bar N ka?
No.
Yeah, bar and.
Pwede siya.
Ayun pala. So hindi na naibababa.
Yeah, hindi mo lang na-edit na papagan.
Hindi masyadong na ano.
You only go forward and backward.
Wala bang automatic niyan?